Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power, HDMI, and network. Plug the bright sign into the display and LAN. This ensures device discovery. Next, open Bright Author or log into Bright Sign Network so you can provision the player. Once done, import assets, Use 264 MP4s and PNGs for overlays because the player decodes those reliably. Then create a simple presentation or playlist with a 1920x 1080 canvas. This gets you past basic blockers and into content configuration fast. Now you configure playback and networking so media plays consistently. In device settings, choose the output resolution and audio routing. Set GPO only if you need triggers. For reliability, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation and enable NTP so schedules stay accurate. Then build your schedule. Set loop behavior, durations, and conditional triggers for events because timing controls viewer experience. Finally, link the playlist to the player or group. That pushes content and enforces the behavior you configured. Finish by publishing your presentation and confirming the transfer completed on the bright sign. Reboot the player to validate auto start, then test playback, remote commands, and scheduled changes so you catch timing or asset issues. If something fails, start with simple checks. Confirm HDMI cable and power, review the player log for errors, and verify firmware matches the Bright Author or network requirements. If problems persist, reboot and republish. Often a fresh push resolves sync or corrupted transfer issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.